In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a theme. Now, you can buy a premium theme. That's normally what I do. I'm a big fan of WordPress. Would be the theme developer I use the most. Sometimes use Elegant themes, and I sometimes buy themes from ThemeForest. However, there are lots of free themes, and that's what I want to show you here is how to find free themes. So you go under your only use free themes that are in the WordPress.org directory, just because they've been vetted. A lot of free themes have types of code in there you're probably not going to want on your website. So once you go under there, there's a tab at the top, Install Themes, and that's going to give us a filter here. Now I'm not concerned too much about color. I want to go with a 2 or 3 column, and I want custom menu. Where was the other? Custom header and theme options. Theme options, usually it's a little bit more of an advanced theme for customization, so let's check that. And then we're going to find themes, and this is how you can find lots of free themes. If you see something you like, install it and try it out. You can end up spending a lot of time looking for the perfect theme. Generally, I'm of the view, get it up and running, get your site earning before you're really going to spend days and potentially weeks wasting time. Well, I don't want to say wasting time, spending time trying to get that perfect design. So we have on and on and on. That's not a bad looking. What we want is a business theme, because this is a business website for a realtor. And so that's kind of what we're looking for. That's not bad looking. That's a potential contender right there. So there you go. That looks nice too. So what you can do is once you find a few contenders, the name, you can go and search for any reviews of these. There's probably not a lot of reviews on the free themes because there's not much incentive doing it. So that's how you find it. And you can go back and filter your different things. I am going to have to decide on a theme. It's either going to be a WordPress, or I might try a free theme and then carry on the course here. Maybe what I'll do is I'll use a free theme and build this website, and maybe I'll use the default one that showed up here on the install. It's fairly popular. It's the small biz full width. I believe it's quite a popular free theme. I think there's a pro version too, and we'll go through that. So if a lot of people watching this want to go with that theme, then hopefully this video will help. So that's installing the theme, a free theme. Now, once you find the theme, let's go back there. Let's say we want to do this. You just say install now, and it pretty much takes care of it for you. You have to activate it. There we go. And you can switch themes, so don't think you make one decision and that's it. So now that is activated, and you can check it out, what it looks like. Let's open a new tab here. There's not much at this point because we're going to have to add the content and set it up. And then if, let's say we wanted to switch, we would just go to activate here. So as you can see, I'm actually building the site in live time here for you. So that's why I haven't fully decided. This looks pretty promising. I'm somewhat familiar with the people behind this. I don't know them personally or anything, but I've watched them. I've checked some of their stuff out, and they look pretty good here. But there's obviously a pro version that they're going to want you to buy. Okay, so now we've activated that. Now let's say you want to install from a zip file that you have on your hard drive, and I'll install, let's say, Genesis framework, which is WordPress. So what you do is you go to install, and once we're here, instead of looking around here, we're going to go to our upload here. So you click that and you choose a file, and I have my WordPress file here. I've been using a lot of the themes. Here's Genesis. So you have to put Genesis in first. If you're using any parent-child setup, you want to do that, and then you install it. And once Genesis is installed and activated, we can go ahead and choose a child theme for that. Activate it. Not all themes will have this two-step process. In fact, most of the free ones, you're just going to have to install the main theme and that's it. Genesis is a little bit different in that Genesis is the parent, sort of the engine underneath, and then the child theme is a design. Most themes package everything up in one batch. So then what we do is, because we need a child theme for the design, is we just do the process exactly the same. So we'll upload, choose a file, and so most of these are child themes. So I kind of like the latest executive theme. Let's go with that. It's a nice business theme. It's mobile responsive. That's another thing I would recommend these days. Look for something with a mobile responsive, just because lots of people are going using their phones and their tablets for going online. So mobile responsive means is that it's coded in a way to display optimally for different screen sizes. So the display will change, but it'll be in such a way that it's easy to navigate, easy to read, rather than being really, really small print. So there we are. We've now uploaded the premium Studio Press stuff, but we are also ready, and I'll just spend a little bit of time off this video, won't bore you, just checking these out and maybe make a decision and go forward. But anyways, that's the end of this video. I'll see you in the other videos.